Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I know the background looks different because I am in India. So I've been getting a lot of requests from you guys on Instagram to review the new Kay Beauty launch, especially the lip crayons and the lip pencils. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I've got all the shades right here. Katrina Kaif looking absolutely gorgeous on the pamphlets and the ads. By the way guys, did you see the ad campaign? It gave me goosebumps. Anyways, I've got Kay Beauty lip liners and lip crayon on my lips right now, and we're gonna do this. Alright, so this is how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna first read the claims of the lip crayon and lipstick to you, and then I'm gonna give you my review, and I've asked you on my Instagram stories to send in your questions. And I'm gonna be doing that, guys. For the last 1 week, this is what I've been testing, trying. So I've got a pretty good idea of what I feel about it. So let's get started. Now, the pamphlet, and here is what Katrina Kaif envisioned for this whole thing. So she says that she's into 3D lip for a fuller plump lip look, which is why she wanted to create the lip liner, lip crayon, and the lip topper. Now let's move on to the lip pencil. We've got 12 shades, and the idea of the lip pencil is to shape your lips, prevent your lipstick from bleeding, and also to help your lipstick last a very long time. So that is the whole point of this whole range. It's about longevity because Katrina Kaif says that she has long shoot hours and she does not like to touch up, stop in between. She just wants something that lasts all day. So that is the whole claim behind it, guys. Also, this is made in Europe, long-lasting stay, rich matte finish. It is infused with chamomile and marula oil for intense hydration, 100% waterproof and kiss-proof, and it's cruelty-free, paraben-free. These are all of the claims of the lip pencil. Moving on to the lip crayons, there are 24, guys. 24 shades. This is made in Europe and they have extreme rich matte finish, 18-hour long stay. Now that is a bold claim. It is infused with chamomile and marula oil for intense hydration. It has a weightless formula, 100% waterproof and sweat-proof, cruelty-free and paraben-free. In her words, she says, I'm always in long shoots and in between short touch-ups are something I really like to dodge. Then I found a trick to avoid them. The trick is to hydrate your lips before applying any lipstick. I created Matteinee lip crayons to be my savior and yours, as it is enriched with marula and chamomile oil. While coating my lips with a rich matte finish, it also keeps my lips naturally nourished and soft. These are all the claims of it. Now let's get into my review of the same. This is what I've got on my lips right now. Both the lip pencil and the lip crayons have a beautiful powder matte finish, and what I particularly like about this range, guys, is the shades. They are so extensive and they are so inclusive. So the fairest of the fairest girl and the darkest of the darkest girl can find a shade that beautifully suits you. It definitely has a very lightweight, easy to apply formula. It is very long lasting, but when you eat or drink anything, it is going to wear off from the center of your lips. And then obviously, since it's a pencil form, it's a crayon form, you can definitely put it in your pocket, which was also something that Katrina Kaif was talking about when we had like a one-on-one session with her. She likes to put it in her pocket, and so she can quickly do a little bit of touch-up if need be. I traveled with this to Bombay, back from Bombay. I wore it during the event. It stays, guys. If you do not have very oily food, oil breaks down everything anyway, or like creamy milkshakes or chai, coffee and everything. If you don't have any of this, it's gonna stay put on your lips. If you do, it's gonna rub off right in the middle of your lips. So that's about the longevity. About the hydration. Now I've never applied it with a little bit of lip balm underneath. That could make it more hydrating. Apparently it is infused with marula oil and chamomile oil for hydration. But I guess because it's such a mattifying formula and also a long wearing formula, I personally don't feel it as a hydrating formula. By the end of the day, say like 9 hour, 10 hour later, I feel like my lips are a little dry. It does not chap or peel my lips, but my lips definitely would appreciate a lip balm. Another thing to note in the shade range is that they've got nudes for all skin tones. Like this is a really light nude and this is a really dark nude. And they've also got so many beautiful shades of reds and berries. So your basics are definitely covered here. So this is about the lip crayon. Coming to the lip pencils, guys, the shades are so beautiful. In my lipstick do's and don'ts video, which is right here, I had mentioned that every girl needs to have like a dark brown lip liner. This range has so many of those. It gives you so much freedom to play with whatever lipstick that you have to really give you a 3D effect. Or if you bought like a light lipstick that does not suit your complexion, you can use that dark brown to really fill in the lips. The color range is what I'm obsessed with in this whole entire range. But apart from that, the lip pencils are crazy long lasting as well. Just today morning when I was testing out the lip pencils, I had it on, I had breakfast, I had chai, I took a bath, the lip pencil was still on my lips. So in combination, when you apply the lip pencil and then the lipstick, this combination is not going anywhere. It's definitely gonna give you like a 9-10 hour wear, but also depending on what you eat and your daily routine and how your lips tend to retain color. On me, they usually last a pretty long time except for the middle of the lips. The lip crayon consists of 1.8 grams of product and it costs rupees 799. This whole range definitely falls into a more luxe category. The lipstick itself comes in a very simple plastic packaging like this. It's got the logo embossed all over it, and this portion is basically the color of your lipstick, so it's very easy if you have multiples to know which lipstick is which color. I really like that. It has a white lid that clicks shut, which is again so important. You know, it's nice and secure and it's not gonna open in your bag and like ruin everything. The packaging is a twist up style, so you do not have to carry a sharpener along with you. As for the lip pencil, it comes in a very similar format, and in this one it's not a twist up, it's basically a sharpener form of a pencil, like a regular pencil. And I have to mention that the pencil is so creamy and so pigmented. The same with the lip crayon as well. You get intense pigmentation with just one swipe. So the color, the pigmentation, the creaminess is definitely there. Alright, now that I've given you my review, I'm gonna pull up my Instagram and read your questions and answer as many as possible. So we've got a lot. Oh my goodness. So I've got questions like, is it worth my money and why are they so expensive? And I have learned that I am not an expert when it comes to pricing. And whoa, what's that? Let's go back. So I'm not gonna make any comments on the pricing of a product because I had the chance to talk to a lot of brand owners, guys, and the pricing of a product has so many factors into it, and that does not make me an expert to talk about it at all. So this definitely falls into the luxe category. You cannot expect it to be affordable. That's not what they were going after. So it is a luxe product. The pricing is what it is. The reasoning, don't ask me. And is it worth your money? Again, it's your choice. So I've given you all the facts so you can make up your mind to see if it is worth your money or not. Everybody has different things that they look for from a product, so you have to make that call yourself. Is it worth your money? You should like figure it out yourself. You know what I'm saying? Is it comfy to wear for the first 4 to 5 hours? It's an absolute dream to wear. It's very smooth on the lips. If you do not have dry lips already, I have very normal lips, so I have no problem for the first 5-6 hours. Like I said, and by the end of the day, it's a little dry. A little bit of lip balm definitely helps the, you know, the lip condition. What's the best nude shade for wheatish tones and longevity of the crayons? So coming to this, I got a lot of questions about the best shade for light skin girls, for medium skin girls and dark skin girls. Unfortunately, guys, I don't know because I have my shade of skin tone and I like to wear all of these lip crayons using the lip pencil. So you know what I would recommend? Go to a store if you can and actually swatch it, or you know what, I will do a whole swatch on my arm for Instagram so you can pick it from the swatch. So because everybody looks good in different shades, I do not want to generalize and say that this shade called XYZ will look good on everyone, and you're gonna take my word for it and go and buy it, and I don't want to be held responsible if it doesn't look good on you. You know what I'm saying? So you have to really go and try it out and see for yourself what looks good. Having said that, I have tried out 2 or 3 shades already and posted pictures of it on my Instagram, so you can have a feel for what it looks like on me and my skin tone. So it's gonna appear different if you have lighter skin tone. Do keep that in mind. Are they long lasting? Yes, they are. How long lasting are they with eating and drinking? So like I said, it definitely wears off right in the middle of your lips when you eat and drink. The outside portion stays put, so you just have to touch up just the center of your lips. Is it transfer proof? Let's give myself a nice big kiss right here. There is no lipstick on my hand, so not really. Not really. I mean, it is transfer proof. It does not transfer. That's what I was trying to say. Does it get removed once you eat oily food? For sure. I mean, everything should come up with oily food. If it doesn't come up with oily food, I'd be worried. Are they cruelty free? Yes. Does it smudge and spread around your mouth? No, it does not. Wear test please. I'm definitely wearing this. I have a function today. I will be having lunch, so I will be doing a wear test, so that is going just a couple of seconds after this for sure. Where is it available? It is available on Nykaa.com. I will leave links down in the description box so you can definitely get your hands on it. Is it any different from the already existing lip products? Well, there are so many lip crayons in the market. I'm sure you can find something similar for sure. Is it really on par with Sugar Matte as Hell lip crayons? I would say that the Sugar Matte as Hell is a little bit more hydrating to the lips. Shades you recommend for a darker skin tone? Well, what I recommend is getting that dark brown lip liner. Hold on, this lip liner called Fame is what I have on my lips right now. If you have this lip liner, guys, every single shade of the lip crayon will work for you. Every single shade. This is like a must-have. I really love this lip liner called Fame. How well does the color show up on unprimed and pigmented lips? Very well. Let me give you a quick swatch on my arm. I picked a pretty light nude called Playback, so you can see how pigmented that is. Very creamy as well. And then I have a deeper maroony. There are so many different shades of red which I really love. This is called Spotlight, and there we go. Super creamy, super pigmented, so you do not have to prime your lips or anything. These are pretty good. And since you're already here, let me also give you a swatch of the lip pencil. There we go. This is the shade Fame that I was talking about. Just love. Do they sell the items overseas? How do we purchase, please? I've mentioned this in so many of my videos, guys. Nykaa does not sell overseas, but I have made a specific video just on this topic, so please do check that video out. Is it as good as the Faces crayon? I've not tried the Faces crayon, so I cannot compare it with that. Comparison to Maybelline Superstay liquid lipsticks? No idea, guys. I don't use Maybelline. Why are you promoting a brand which isn't so good? Powdery matte or moist matte? That's a good question. It's a powdery matte. It's a flat matte finish, and I like to apply a little bit of lip gloss right here, so it gives you the hydration it needs. A little gloss if you want a 3D effect and all of that, but of course if you want like a pure matte look like today what I'm wearing, you don't have to apply the gloss at all. Does it work in Mumbai weather? Yeah, that is where I did try it out for all of these days. It definitely works in Mumbai weather. Are they vegan? I don't think they are vegan. They've not mentioned anything about that, so I'm not really sure actually, but they are cruelty free. So I'm scrolling through all of these questions, guys, and they are all very similar questions, so I think I've answered all of those questions. So now let's move on to the wear test. So here is a look at T0. Alrighty, you guys, this is fresh after my lunch. I just had lunch. It's 3 p.m. and we are off to an event. I'm definitely gonna touch this up because we're gonna go for an event, and then we will take it from there and see how this lasts throughout the day. It's 6 p.m. It's been 3 hours since we applied the lipstick. I had a couple of cups of tea, and here we have the lips looks like this. And I had applied a little bit of gloss just before going for the event because I was feeling a glossy look all over. It was a really nice event, guys. I covered it on my stories. I met a lot of content creators based in Kerala. It was so amazing to meet all of them. Anyways, that's that. And I'm gonna keep this lipstick on for a couple more hours so we can see how this wears throughout the day. Guys, it's 9:15 p.m. and I've had a lot of snacks and halwa and those kind of things, like really oily things as well. And the lipstick, as you can see, has worn off right in the center of the lip, but overall it's there. Actually, even in the center of the lip, it's pretty much there. Let me just stop talking so you can take a nice clean look. So that's what it looks like 6 hours later. I had really oily food, guys. I just had like tea and coffee and a lot of halwa. I did. I stuffed my face with nice like Kerala halwa, and because I applied a little bit of that lip gloss on my lips are not dry at all. And yeah, so this is the wear test, and I'm gonna end this right now because I have my whole entire family come for dinner, so I just want to take it all off and be comfortable and chill with the fam. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions, leave them down below. I'd like to give a special thanks to Nykaa for sponsoring this video, but you know I'm always honest about what I feel about a product, so you don't have to worry about me being honest or not. Don't even worry about that. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, do subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next one. I love ya.